Okay, today we're talking about pressure-assisted toilets. So to clarify, this is for a standard two-piece tank type toilet. So as a standard two-piece gravity flush toilet, you have a fill valve inside the toilet tank, a flush valve that usually consists of a flapper. So when you push down on the flush handle, that pulls up on the flush lever, which pulls up on the chain, which opens the flapper. Water goes in the bowl, the toilet flushes. And the fill valve fills up the toilet tank with water. That's a gravity flush toilet. I think we're all familiar with that. They've been around forever. There's some variations on that, but that's the basic general idea. You got a fill valve and a flush valve. There's no pressurized tank inside the toilet tank. I'd like to introduce you to a pressure-assisted toilet. You can see inside this toilet tank, it's not full of water. It's basically a tank inside a tank. That tank that is inside of the toilet tank is a pressurized vessel. It has air pressure, water inside of it, so half full with water, half full with air. And there's no air compressor, no electronics on this one. As the water pressure from the water supply line fills up that pressurized tank, inside there's a separation of air and water. And then when you push the flush lever, that air pressure that has built up inside that pressure vessel forces the water down very quickly into the bowl, out the rim jets, the main jet, and you get a much more strong, powerful flush out of your toilets. These are a great option for commercial applications where a building is open to the public. If you want a stronger flushing toilet, these pressure-assisted toilets are the way to go. And the main parts on them are the pressure tank itself. There's a vacuum breaker, an air inducer valve, sometimes referred to as a duck bill, has a pressure regulator and a safety relief valve, and there's a replacement cartridge referred to as the actuator with the set screw. And that actuator, when you press the flush lever, actuates that cartridge and allows that pressurized compressed air to push down and release the water to flush the toilet and refill the bowl. I hope you found this video informative. And now I'd like to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook, available now in ebook and paperback format. It has common facilities documents, tags, signage, resource and training material, as well as common shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. Or if you need hats, shirts, mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below for this online facilities maintenance store where you can purchase the products that you see here. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.